So somebody asked me about the configuration. Well, I have here, it's extra fast, 0.3 millimeter, and 20% infill, and quality is 0.3 layer height, wall thickness 0.8, wall line count 2, top bottom thickness 0.8, top thickness 0.8, top layer 3, bottom thickness 0.8, and bottom layers 3, horizontal expansion 0, infill density 20%, and infill pattern is a grid, and the printing temperature is at 200 degrees. Build plate temperature is 60 degrees. Enable retraction, yes. Speed is 150 millimeter per second, and combing mode is all. Retract before outer wall I have unchecked. Avoid printed parts when traveling, this is checked. Set hop when retracted, this is not checked. And enable print cooling, fan speed 100, and support don't generate support. Build plate adhesion, build plate adhesion type, it's a skirt, and no dual extrusion. So I hope this is what the person asked for is. I'm very thankful for everyone who's subscribing to my channel. I never thought I would have so many subscribers. And if you want to see more, yeah, just like my video. And if you like, you can just share my videos. I always try to I'm trying to give content that is helpful to other people. If there's something you want to know, or is there something, I'm also just engineering, I'm just troubleshooting, like how I used to know how things work. I'm not a professional, and I'm just somebody who's like doing this in his free time. I studied biochemistry, and I'm actually more in that. But this, my hobby is 3D printing, Arduino, and I'm also waiting for my Raspberry Pi. And there's lots of technology and things I'm interested in. I'm always want to know how our computer works and so on. And I think there are many people who have the same interest, and I'd like to share my way of going these things. This is because I think it's very complicated, but it's not es ist machbar. It's you can I think someday I will understand the technology. It's not yet. I'm just copying, pasting codes, but I know after some time, when I'm bored, I usually just I'm getting it. I'm trying to understand something, and it works out. Well, okay, now I talked so much. It's not important. You can just I mean, who has I'm not the best YouTuber, but yeah, okay. Well, this is it, and I wish you a happy day and make something, create something. Yeah, I just indulge you to do that. Just do something. Just begin. Buy a Arduino kit and play with it. And if something gets damaged, it's not so it's not so bad. The parts aren't so expensive. So I'm just encouraging you, do the same and try and error and have fun with it. It's very cool. I really like technology and it's so much fun, and I can just suggest you to do the same. Well, so enough talking. I wish you a happy day, a nice day. Do something creative, and I hope I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Bye bye.